So I was going to a few minutes. So it was so very awesome, amazing. So it was. Let's get moving on the World 3. So this was very awesome, amazing. So at the front of this was very old building. So this was only 4 floors here. So this was only 4 floors on the old buildings. But basically inside of the buildings, no has left. So let's get going on this building. And now, moving on to the first building of this World War III. Heavy unbelievable. This is awesome. This is still very amazing. So everyone hates all lifts. So the overlift humor still hates all lifts. So all lifts is still. So the all lifts is still very. This is still very. This is so this is a very prison store. ¿Dónde va? So I got two others for brothers. One for taking the other for war. So I already hate the olives. So this was a Bruce stop. So the olives. The olives still was a very brusque stop. So this is doing a very brusque stop. So the other ones, this still hates olives. So the olive team hates olives. So Nisama likes new leaves. So in my animations, Nisama has got all these leaves on his building. So this in my animation, Nisama's building. So this was a very amazing artist with a screen indicator. So this is a very was new list, no? So clean.